There's a lot of different opportunities out there at the moment, so we're going to cover BitHarvest today, but keep your eyes peeled for Project 5000. This is a pretty hefty goal. A lot of these communities that we're developing, these networks that we're growing, think of them like PayPal or Venmo. Project 5000's in conjunction with Mosca, which is a peer-to-peer payment system over the decentralized blockchain. So keep your eyes peeled for that, but let's roll on through the rest of this presenting BitHarvest today.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the world of BitHarvest. BitBooster has been the backbone of our journey, empowering miners, earning Bitcoin, and creating opportunities worldwide. But let me tell you, this is just the beginning. Our upcoming launch of the BPH chain, our GameFi platform, and our decentralized application will nourish the BitHarvest ecosystem, unlocking even greater potential for our community. BitBooster is your key to enter the universe of possibilities that we are building. Together, we are shaping a thriving ecosystem where blockchain, gaming, and decentralized innovation comes alive together. Join us and be part of this groundbreaking journey.
Pocas posibilidades de que alguien se vaya un fin de semana al espacio y no quiera llevar ni las llaves de su auto. Suficientes para desarrollar Security Code, el sistema para ingresar con un código habiendo dejado las llaves adentro. Tecnología Ford, lo casi imposible.